Hello, this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead and my little kitchen, which is full of flies at the moment. It's not going to be a cooking day, it's going to be a preserving day. And one's just flown out the door because we're still having a lot of heat in the UK. That's why my back door is open, because it's just too hot. Strawberries, and I'll show a picture now of the soft fruit that I got yesterday. As you can see, that's a lot. Some I've given to my mother and my brother, and the rest I've got here for doing different projects with. This container is full of soft fruit, and where I got them from, it's a farm that's about half an hour drive away. But if you take your own bucket, they will fill it, and I have used some of them out of here, but they will fill it of not quite seconds. These are very good. Some of them are a bit on the mushy side because they've gone over slightly, but they fill it for you free of charge. So all this is going to be jam anyway, so it doesn't matter if it's mushed up a bit. So I'm going to be hulling these strawberries. Some of the more pristine ones I'm going to hull and freeze and hull and do a simple syrup for them, and they'll be canned up. And although I've had my steam canner for a year now, I haven't yet used it. It surprised me because I use a pressure canner, so why am I nervous about using a steam canner? Don't know. But I've got that much to do today. I'm going to do it. I'm going to test it all out, and while it's coming up to temperature, I'll be doing a load of strawberries. Oh, that's a lot. So when I've got something to show you, I will. Strawberries are all done. Empty, apart from the juice at the bottom of it, but that'll get cleaned out so I can use it. I've got strawberry bits everywhere. It just got too much for me to hull them all, so I put them through my food mill attachment that goes on to my mincer, you know, grinds meat up. I've got an attachment that will make it into a food mill. But what I'm going to do now is, I know in this pan I've got 12 cups of the strawberry that was milled, and this one is also 12 cups, but half of it is the strawberry juice that I milled, put through my food processor thing, and the other half are crushed strawberries. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the old-fashioned strawberry jam recipe that's in that book and double it. So I'll have it with the crushed strawberries. So there's 12, 13, 14, 15, 60. So there's still quite chunky bits of strawberries in there. And it's so sticky, the kitchen is at the moment. So that is now 8 cups, and I'll be doing something with that. But first of all, I'm going to bring this one for the jam. It needs 6 cups of granulated sugar for every 8 cups of strawberries. So I need 12 cups of granulated sugar going in here, which I'll sort out now and then put it on the stove to heat up. That is where we're at the moment. 16 cups of strawberries, mainly juice, but there are crushed strawberries in there as well. And 12 cups of sugar. The recipe doesn't call for it, but I've added about half a cup of bottled lemon juice, so I thought that would help with the set. Now there's no pectin added to this, so we're going to have to boil it for a while and then test it for a set. But while it's been bubbling away, there's some what people call jam scum. I think that's horrible. It's the foam on top. So I've been scraping it off and putting it in this bowl. And you can add a knob of butter to it to help it to dissipate, but I don't want to. Jam like this is enough. It's going to have a lovely flavour to it. You don't need to add a knob of butter to it. As you can see, a lot of the foam has now dissipated, but I need to get it up to sheeting, and this is not sheeting yet. We will do soon. Day 2. I didn't record any more yesterday because I just had enough. My knees were really painful, and so I just finished off what needed doing, so I could basically sit down for a while. But this is the strawberry jam. I got 6 pints and 2 half pints. One of the pints didn't seal, so that's in the refrigerator. As you can see, it's a bit on the runny side. That's it. But it'll be all right. It'll get used probably in cakes, to have strawberry cakes, or used as a syrup on ice cream. So it's going on the shelves, apart from what's in the refrigerator. And now I'm going to do some other things. These are the strawberries that I froze yesterday. Some of them are in my upstairs freezer. But you can hear they are completely solid. So I'm just going to put them in a bag until I decide, am I going to portion these up in cup amounts or weight amounts. I don't know. And then I'll vacuum seal them in those amounts. Although I don't think they'll be in here for very long. Right, so that's the strawberries. Now, as you saw on the photo, I got 3 punnets of blueberries. So I've just washed these out now, and this is exactly what I did with the strawberries. I just lay them out. I don't think, doesn't matter if they're touching slightly, but I think that's a bit too much. So let's get another thing. It's another one. So I'll put the rest of them on. And I'll put these in the freezer. Me again. I've made an executive decision because of the amount of time I was sorting out all these strawberries, and this is what I've got left of the juice. And I've done the majority of it. I can't do any more. The pain is too bad. So I'm just going to drink some of this fresh, freeze the rest of it, that I can use however I want to. I could even pull it out together with some of those strawberries, or together with apples or rhubarb, and make jam from it. I don't see the point in putting myself through even more pain just to get more jam on my shelves when I can freeze it and do it at a later date, possibly over winter. So my house will get nice and warm. But I've done a lot in the garden and this week, and so it's just too much for me. So the plums I'll probably will make a plum jam in a few days. But the strawberries, the blueberries are all sorted. The strawberries will be all sorted with a freeze this container, and that's it. Yes, that's it. So sorry I couldn't finish it, but hopefully I'll come back in a few days' time and do some plum jam. Thank you very much for spending time with me, and I'm sorry I'm not up to it at the moment, but thank you. Bye.